This is a brief video on how to work with Google Drawings in Google Classroom. Since our Arbor Day activity called for creating a graphic, I'm going to go to that assignment. It talks about creating a tree fact visual. In the area that says your work, I'm going to choose Add or Create. And then I will create a new drawing. That drawing that gets created is automatically linked to my assignment. There are other ways that you could create a drawing. You'll then open that drawing up. Using a Google Drawing is just like using Google Drawing at other times. It's got a variety of tools up at the top. In order to use those tools, if you had an image that you already wanted to insert, you would go to Insert and then upload from the computer, or if you had one that you were looking for on the web, you would certainly be able to use the web to look for it. You would then find the image that you wanted to use. You'll notice with mine, it fills up most of the space. You have the ability to adjust the size of your file by choosing Page Setup. If you wanted to add your fact, you would simply choose the text box, click on the text box, and then drag to add text. You'll notice that the text I typed is hard to see. So what you might want to do is highlight your text. You can adjust the color, you can adjust the size, and you can even adjust the font. This helps your material to show up a little bit easier for your viewers. You also have the ability to center or align. And by dragging on the blue boxes, you can resize and relocate the format of your text. In my example, you'll notice that near the bottom here, I start to lose the word trees. So another thing that you have the ability to do is you could add a shape that might help your content to sort of pop out. So I go to Shapes, I choose a rectangle, my tool appears, and now I drag that rectangle over where my font was. Of course, it now hides my font. Keep in mind, I have the ability, if I choose, to change the color of my text box. In order to reveal my font, I would choose Order, send that box to the back, realize I made a mistake, and hit Control-Z, choose Order again, send backwards, and I go one level back behind my text, but not necessarily behind my image. Notice that because we are creating this graphic with the potential of an Arbor Day connection, that I have used hashtag Arbor Day at home in an additional text box that I added. When I'm done, I can simply close my window and I should have my drawing attached to my assignment, complete with graphic and text.